Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a couple of customization tips in the Quincy Chatbot Designer Studio, specifically within the chat widgets, which are our chatbot controllers, if you like to think of them that way. I do. So I want to show you a couple of things that you can do to brand your chatbot experience, whether you are a large organization with a large marketing team that has energy and resources to do all sorts of branding, or you are a small entity or even a single provider organization that just needs to know how to navigate this a little bit better. The tip I want to focus on today is specifically around bringing in your brand color. When you come into the chat widget and you go to the customization tab under branding, you can see that you can tailor the the color of your header and chat bubbles in your chat bot. So what if this blue, that's the default, does not align with your brand? So let's see how we can change that. You can see a code here, but let me click on the color and you can see how the window opens up. Obviously, I can click around until I find something that I like. Maybe it's in the greens, and I can go here or there or anywhere and find what I like, or I can pick from something defaulted. But I also have this hex code down here at the bottom. This is really useful if you know your brand's color hex code. But what if you don't? This is where my tip really comes in. I utilize this almost daily. It is a web extension for Chrome that I downloaded. You can simply go to your Chrome web store, search for Color Picker, eyedropper, hex finder, something along those lines to choose an extension that works for you. I'm certainly not endorsing any one particular extension because these are created by all different types of entities and I don't know them all really that well, but I'll show you the one that I have chosen for myself. You can actually see that up here in my shortcut I have saved it. So if I click on that, I can see my color picker. So let's say I want to utilize this color picker. I've installed it, I've chosen extension, I have added my extension to my toolbar up here, which you just do by clicking on your little extensions icon. And then I want to use it. So let's say I want this chatbot to be representative of the Qliq colors, the Qliq brand colors. I simply go to my website, and if I didn't know what those colors were, I could use my eyedrop extension here, pick a color from the web page. I could select it directly from the logo, which in our case would be the most appropriate way to do it. But I happen to know this to be the Qliq blue as well. So I'm just going to click on that blue. And you can see up here in my dropper now it has updated and I have the exact color that I need for branding purposes. So I can just double click on that hex code right there and copy that information, go back into my chatbot designer, into my widgets here, open up my color picker, and I can paste in that hex code, and voila! My chatbot is updated with the exact blue that I need it to be updated with. And just one more spot you might want to do that. If you go over to your landing page tile here on the top right and scroll down, you also can control the color on the start button. So that might be another area that you want to apply a specific brand color, whether that's a main color or one of your organization's kind of backup colors or additional colors that support your brand image. It might even be something completely different. I actually really like to use a white button whenever I build chatbots because it just really stands out. But I want to make sure everybody knows how they can get an extension, pick a brand color. Even if you don't know what those hex codes are, you can easily download extensions that can help you find them. And then you can put exact specifications into your branding here. And then kind of play around with things and make sure that everything looks and functions the way that you want it to. And absolutely reach out to us at success@QliqSOFT.com if you'd like any assistance with building out your brand in the Quincy Chatbot Designer. Thanks.